Hello everyone. Today we gonna talk about automation. Now, this is not a new technology. We are used to listen this term automation in newspapers, in our colleges, in schools, in magazine related to technology, everywhere. This one technology has acquired the market. And as soon as we hear this term automation, there are several factors which comes along with it, like industrial automation, numerically controlled machines, and flexible manufacturing systems. But the main question is, what is automation? If we talk about automation, we can say that it is a labor saving process, or it is a process in which we can perform any task with the minimal human assistance. In simpler terms, we can say that we replace humans with the machines to perform any process or to perform any task. Let let us clear this with an example. Let's say we are in a room and we have to light this room up. To light this room up, we have to switch on the lights. This is the old and the manual process which we all are used to following till now. But now, if we talk about new or the coming of the age technology, then we just installed a sensor along with the switch, and with the sensor there comes a circuitry. Now, as soon as someone enter the room, the lights will be switched on automatically because sensor has sensed that someone is there in the room, and its task is to switch on the lights. This is what automation is, or we, in the simpler term, this is the basics of home automation. Let's dig bit further into this process. If we talk about this circuit, if we talk about this circuit, this is the exact replica of the circuit which is used in the previous picture. Here we have a controller, a sensor, a light, and this is a vibrator which is depicting a human entrance. Okay, so you all must be familiar with all the systems which are being used, but for the safer side, this is a breadboard on which the connections are made. Now, as soon as the simulation is started, we can see that as the vibrator start vibrating, the sensor detects that someone has entered the room, and the whole circuitry commands the LED to switch itself on. This is what automation is. In this picture, the same is happened. As soon as the person entered the room, the lights were switched on, which tells that automation is a process by which we have reduced the human work. If we develop a contrast between both of the pictures, in one or in the manual process, we can see that we have to have a record to when to switch on and to whether to switch off the lights, and this is the process in which we have to do the work. This is the process which is used in daily households. But if we talk about the other picture, that is the automatic one, in it we don't have to do any manual task. If we are there in the room, the lights will be on, and as soon as we left the room, the lights will be switched off automatically. If we use the later process, then we'll save electricity, we'll save money, and which is all is the motto of automation, that doing less human work and getting more efficient and more effective results. Let's talk about another scenario. Let's say there are two pictures in which in one the laborers are working and the other a man is controlling machines and the machines are working. Let's make a contrast between these pictures by an example. Let's say you are working on a biscuit factory, and the daily production of your biscuit factory is 100 biscuits. Now, if the production increases, you have to invest more time and more labor on the factory to meet the demands, which will in turn leads to burden on your factory, and maybe the demands are not met appropriately. But if we talk about the automation part, we just have to increase the number of machines, but the quality will will never degrade, and the demands will be met on time, and the final product will be effective. This is what automation is. Let's talk about now the process of automation. What is the flowchart or the basic idea of automation? The basic idea or the process of automation is not that hard. If we talk about it, just we take raw material and then start the process, and we'll continue that process till we reach the end so that we can get the finished product. This is what the process of automation is. It's just like some other basic process, but the main thing is during the process no physical work or no manual work is involved. Everything is done by machines and the robots which are used in the factories or in the household to do the process. The process done here is all done by machines, which makes it different than the other similar other old processes. Now, if you have liked this video, and if you want to know more about the field of automation, robotics and other same field pertaining to this idea, you just visit PMS Robotics. This is the organization which have 20 plus years of experience in the fields of robotics, automation, AI, ML and all the other fields related to the robotics. We have many courses such as AI, ML, robotics, automation and many various other courses with batch starting early. So if you want to create a future in the field of automation or you want to learn automation, please visit us. Thank you.